MFXT GOLD AI BOT is a fully automated, state-of-the-art expert advisor specifically engineered to dominate the highly volatile XAUUSD gold market. By leveraging advanced artificial intelligence and real-time market data analysis, this system eliminates emotional bias and human execution errors, aiming for stable returns under strictly controlled risk. Feature specification: trading platform, MetaTrader 4. Supported assets, XAUUSD exclusively. Optimized timeframe, MFXT. Minimum deposit, $100. The MFXT GOLD AI BOT does not rely on outdated grid or blind martingale systems. Instead, it uses a sophisticated analytical engine. AI-based execution precision. The algorithm processes real-time price action and market volatility on the M1 timeframe to pinpoint optimal entry and exit zones before major market shifts occur. Smart SL and AMP, TP control. Every trade is protected by dynamic stop-loss and take-profit mechanisms, ensuring that a single bad trade does not wipe out your account. Volatility filter. The bot automatically limits market exposure during unpredictable, high-impact news events. short-term backtest results over the past 7 days reveal the true power of this EA. With an initial capital of $1,000, the system successfully locked in $101 in profit, achieving a solid 10% return. What's even more impressive is the maximum drawdown, which is strictly kept at just 5.92%, $61, proving that risk is managed with extreme precision. Perfectly optimized for intraday scalping, this is the ultimate weapon for personal accounts seeking consistent daily profits without the stress of holding overnight trades.